loved a lass, and I loved her so well, and I hated all others that spoke of her ill. Now she's rewarded me well for my love, for she's gone to be wed to another. When I saw my love into the kirk go, with groom and bridesmaid, and she made a fine show, I followed on with a heart full of woe, for she's gone to be wed to another. When I saw my love sit down to dine, I sat down beside her and I poured out the wine. I drank to the lassie that should have been mine, for she's gone to be wed to another. Now the man in yon forest asked of me, how many strawberries grow in the salt sea? I answered him back with a tear in my ear, how many ships sail in the forest? So dig me a grave and dig it so deep, and cover it o'er with flowers so sweet. I will turn in for to take a long sleep, and maybe in time I'll forget her. So they dug him a grave, and they dug it so deep, and they covered it o'er with flowers so sweet. He has turned in for to take a long sleep, and maybe by now he's forgot her.
Well, this next song's one that everybody seems to keep asking me to do. When I first started out on it, I didn't know what to think of it, but anyway, I liked it, and everybody else seems to like it. It's an old Mother Goose story, old Dr. Wango Chango, and it's about his animals, and the way he treated them, and the way he finished up. Nice little bedtime story for the kids.